Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a diamond haul. Just showing you some diamonds that I purchased from Skybeads and Bluestreak Crystals. So stay tuned if you're interested in watching. Alright guys, so I am just going to start off by showing you each packet that I got. So the first one is from Bluestreak Crystals. And the second package is from Skybeads. Now, normally I do shop with Skybeads all the time, and this was my first time going through Bluestreak Crystals. But I wanted to really just give them a try and see what their quality was about. So these are all the crystals that I got from Skybeads. Most of them are going to be the AB colored ones. I did grab a few of the colored ones that I wanted to replace. And I'm just giving you a close up. And one thing I want to mention about Skybeads, as you can see here, that they give you a gift every time you buy stones. Now there has been like one time when I did buy stones and I didn't get a gift. I'm not sure if it's because of the amount of money you spend, but normally they do give you a gift. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how much I paid for that particular purchase. It was $36.90 and I did have a coupon code. I'm not sure if it's still valid. Alright, and we're just gonna move on here, and I'm going to take out all of the diamonds and show you what I got from Bluestreak. Alright, so while you guys take a look at everything I've got, I do want to mention that the Skybeads, when I placed my order, it took about a week for those diamonds to come. And when I purchased from Bluestreak, however, it took about 3 weeks for those stones to get to me. Now keep in mind, it is a pandemic going on, so everywhere, the shipping is being, affected. So if you do order from them, don't freak out if it takes a little bit longer than usual. Okay guys, so I do want to mention that I had 2 packs of the sunshine mix and 2 packs of the lime mix, and I did pour the pack of the lime mix in as well as the sunshine mix. This electric mix here, oh my gosh, I was in love with this mix. The colors were just amazing, as you can see. I have to say I was very impressed with Bluestreak Crystals. And as you can see here, I paid $145.37. I did get a discount because I found a coupon code as well. And here I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the rest of the stones away. So this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.